Welcome to New York. Our first edition of RevX. Models are fundamentally different types of digital life than a lot of other entities or assets that businesses have had to build and operate and manage in the past.
But with all of the hype and all of the focus on using AI, what's also incredibly interesting is that 74% of CDOs or CAOs do not believe that their roles are well understood.
While we as data science professionals have focused most of our life on working with 10% of the world's data, Gen AI movement has opened up 100% of the data to us.
Providing our research scientists, engineers with their IDs of choice. And all of this runs natively on Domino's architecture. So we did mostly only configuration out of the box. It's Ray on Kubernetes clusters, so essentially Ray on demand.
Software we use today is retrieval-based. We store stuff, we retrieve it, we reorganize it, we do all sorts of dashboardy things with it. But generative AI is, we're able to interact with it conversationally. So that changes the game.